All right, ladies and gentlemen. I guess I should say close to my heart makers. Okay, first time doing one of these videos, but I wanted to show how I did my workshop guide. I'm actually in the middle of editing and creating my Eat, Play, Love workshop, and all of this is just done in PowerPoint. Okay, so I can just type, edit. Different things are different boxes. So that way I can drag them and place them wherever I want. Unlike Word, you have to care about font. So the cool thing is these guys here. So what I do is I take a screenshot of the pages from the Close to My Heart website. So I have what the actual paper looks like. I just do the hashtag for the reverse side of the paper. And then I go to picture format and I'll adjust the height. Now, this original picture, which you can kind of see, was bigger. So I adjusted it and then cropped it down to, I just always have them 1.5 by 5 inches. Now, the cool thing is what I've done with this. Okay, so I have my workshop, or I guess my scratch notes. I use 12 by 12 paper to mark out, and I actually draw them in and label them and where they're supposed to go as I'm creating all of my pages, and then I can just transfer this into digital. So for this one, I need a 1.5 inch by 12 inch. Okay, and this particular one goes on 3L, and I want the teal part. Okay, so I can just drag these other things off. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to shape format, and I always do it height by width. So 1.5 by 12. Oops. 12, not 112. And then I can drag it onto placement, shift it if I need to, up, down, left, right, all that jazz. And then I will go and adjust my new piece. If I don't have enough pieces for some reason, then that's easy. I just, copy and paste an image. So these particular pieces are kind of funky. They are actually a rotated one because if I rotate it that way, my what do you call it? You can read it easier. Okay, if I did it horizontal instead of vertical writing, it's really hard to read it. It does kind of a weird thing. So I learned it's easier just to rotate those. Okay, so these pieces I do have to make as a 1 by 12. Okay, but that's kind of the only funkiness. I did do some hexagon layouts in my previous workshop. So again, I'm transferring an old workshop into a new one. I save the format and just edit as I go. And so you can insert shapes. What I do is I use gray. So shape format, shape fill, and I'll use like a light gray to show like the leftovers, and then white is always the pieces that I'm using. If it doesn't fit, like it's a thin cut of some kind, then I'll always just put the labeling next to it. I did have to adjust my page. That one is, I think it's on, I always forget. Draw. Okay, so slide size, I want to say page setup. So I adjusted mine to be larger, 25 by 33.25, adjust it so slides and handouts. And this is large enough, as you can see, to fit 4 pages, and it is the correct aspect ratio to fit an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper when you print it. Now, when you're done with this, what I do is I will go to print. So file print, and then print as a PDF. So save as a PDF. And then the best thing about a PDF is all of these hot links that I've added in to my website and my Facebook page. work on the PDFs. So if I drop it to someone and they have a digital, they have instant access. So if they somehow came across, they can they know where to go to get the materials or my workshops and other videos. Okay. Hope this was helpful, you guys. Let me know if you have any other questions.